Hey, it's Mike. I want to talk about one of the best performers in the markets yesterday was Xpeng. Basically, it's the Chinese automaker, recorded incredible blowout earnings, was up over 33% yesterday. You look at the 1 month chart, 1 month ago it was at 19, now it's at 44. You take a look at the 6 month chart, it was actually like a penny stock. It was under $1, and now it's at 43. It's got a market cap of 32 billion. Definitely, this has been the year for Chinese EV stocks. It's been the year for EV stocks, but particularly Chinese EV stocks. And not only Xpeng was up big, but NanoStacks, NIO, I mean, was up big too, up over 12%. Look, 1 month ago, NIO was at 21, now it's at 48. Still got a great setup, still looks like it go higher. There's just such, what you're seeing, especially in China, is just the big shift into EV cars from combustible engine cars. So even if you think, wow, Xpeng has moved big, you have to look at the scale of China, where their car sales are going to be several times larger than the United States. It's probably, Chinese EV car sales is probably going to be bigger than the United States and Europe combined. And companies like Xpeng and NIO, which are based in China, they're going to get the majority of those sales, along with Tesla. So if you want to know how to play EVs, I would say if you have like let's say $10,000 you want to invest in EV cars, I would say like put half of it in like Tesla, and then put the other half in the Chinese autos, but then combine like Xpeng with NIO. And if there's another company out there, use that. I would not go too heavy into Xpeng or NIO, because I do think they're going to move higher, but there's going to be incredible volatility. Usually when a stock pops like this 30%, it typically gives back half of this before it continues to move higher, because it's kind of like gap filling here. So you just have to realize, if you do buy it, you just have to be aware that it may give back half of these gains, because you have short-term traders that want to sell. But definitely moving higher. Xpeng and NIO are definitely excellent choices. It really just sounds like the electric car sales in China are really taking off now. And these companies are so small. I mean, this company is a 1/12 of the size of Tesla. NIO is a little larger. It's at 65 billion. They're about an eighth of the size. But these are companies that I do think they will be almost the same. They may not be as big as Tesla, but they'll be up there in size. They may end up being like 75% of the size of Tesla. And that'll be just because their sales in China, and probably NIO and Xpeng, are probably going to expand beyond the Chinese market. They may go into Europe or possibly the United States. So there's definitely a lot of potential in those stocks. Definitely keep them on your radar. If you're nervous, like I said, about owning a lot of shares of Xpeng, just combine Xpeng with NIO and Tesla, and just give yourself a little basket of EVs. That will give you a little more, a little less volatility. That may help you out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, and go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications. I do updates on everything from EV stocks to penny stocks to growth stocks. And I also talk about options and options trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.